Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out another wig review. So today's wig is from WigTypes. So thank you so much WigTypes for sending over this unit. This one is the Outre Perfect Hairline 13 by 6 Julianne in 24 inch. So I've tried Julianne before in the shorter length, but this is the new one in the 24 inch. It does have two combs on either side, an elastic band, and a lot of free parting space, you guys. I really love the color on this unit. Let me get you guys the color. So the color for this one is DR4GDHNBL. So I believe that stands for Golden Honey Blonde. I went ahead and added my Ebon Lace Tint Spray, and I always use it in the dark medium brown, and it matches with my skin tone so well. I love that lace tint spray. So this wig has an amazing hairline, and it has a really great pre-plucked sort of look. It comes with baby hairs, and I didn't do any plucking on this unit. Lately, I've been liking my baby hairs just really fluffy and kind of just all over the place. I usually don't use a lot of edge control too much anymore on my baby hairs. I just like that fluffy look. So I went ahead and just used the Got To Be hairspray. I usually use my lace melt spray, but I couldn't find it. I don't know. I think I threw it away by accident or somehow misplaced it, which is weird because it's only ever on my makeup stand. So that's annoying. But that I used the Got To Be spray instead. I went ahead and trimmed away some of the ear tab area because my ear was like the wig was a little too long, too big right there. So I had to cut off the ear tab part to release my ear. And I went ahead and used my Yellowbird blow dryer and my GLEEmade Precision rat tail comb to go ahead and lay the hairline down. So once I got the hairline to where I wanted to be, this is where all the magic happens, you guys. I grabbed a wide tooth comb and just combed out all the curls. These curls are so pretty, you guys. I love that you have a lot of parting space and you can kind of just flip the hair all over. You can just like flip it to the left or the right. You can part it down the middle. I didn't do any hard like crisp parts. I kind of just did like that disheveled sort of just flipped my hair over type of parts, and I really like that with this wig because the wig is so full and so fluffy. It just lends itself to kind of being just flipped all around and kind of that like bombshell tousled hair sort of look, and that's actually one of my favorite looks. I don't know if you guys remember the Sensational Sierra wig from way back that I reviewed years and years ago. but this one is giving me that type of vibe. So if you haven't watched that video of mine for Sensational Sierra, this one is giving me that vibe, but like super updated and way more flexibility with this unit. But it's definitely giving me that. I'll link it in the description box so you guys can click it and check it out. But I really love this unit, you guys. I know I'm late to the party with this wig. This wig has been out for about 2 months, I think, and mostly everyone has already reviewed it. But I'm trying it out now, and I absolutely love it. I think I'm gonna double back and get this in a color number 4 if they do offer it in a 4, because that is literally my favorite color. But yeah, this is what it looks like, kind of just like flipped over to the side. I'm also going to show you guys a middle part and the other side part. So this is what the middle part is given. I was kind of least impressed with the middle part, which is crazy because I typically love a middle part, but I do think the bangs are a little too long for a middle part. So if I was to wear this as a middle part, I would definitely trim the bangs, but I didn't want to do that because the left and right side part, the bang length is pretty much perfect for that. So I just decided to flip it over the other side, show you guys that, and that's pretty much the end of the review. Stay tuned to the end, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts. So that's the other side. I really love this unit, you guys. My final thoughts on this one is it's just absolutely gorgeous. I definitely believe it is worth the coin and worth trying out. So many great aspects to this wig. The hair texture is beautiful. The hairline is amazing and no plucking needed. I love the fluffy baby hair. It's just so many things about it that I love, and I would absolutely recommend. So definitely head over to WigTypes. I'll leave a link down below to where you can head over there. Check this unit out. You don't have to get this color. I know this color is a lot, but I think it's really beautiful and really different. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you share this video. Share it with a friend. Share it with a wig lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.